How to change your name on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open Facebook and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen and then go to your settings. From the account section, click on personal and account information and then click on name. And here you will be able to change your name, including your first, middle and last name. And keep in mind that if you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. Also, Facebook tells you to not use any unusual punctuation, characters and stuff like that, or random words. Facebook wants you to use your real name. So say for example that I want to change this name right here. Once you have changed your name, you want to click on the blue button that says review change, and Facebook here will give you a preview of your new name, from which you can choose your name to appear first name last name or last name first name. And once you are okay with the changes, choose whatever option you want. You want to enter your password in this field and click save changes. And once you do that, your name will be changed to this new name that you have entered. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can change your name on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.